Unit 3, Lesson 7, Track 23. The Hungry Fox. One day, a fox was looking for food on a farm. He saw a bird on a shed. "Hello," said the fox. "I'm hungry. Have you seen the chickens?"
"No, I haven't. They're my friends. Go away," said the bird angrily.
The fox saw some meat under the bird's foot. "Can I have some meat, please?" he asked politely. "I'm very, very hungry. I haven't eaten today."
"No, you can't. It's mine," said the bird.
The fox thought for a minute. Have you sung today?" asked the fox slowly. "I haven't heard you. They tell me you can sing very well." "That's right," said the bird. "Sing for me, please," said the fox. "All right," said the bird, and began to sing. "You sing beautifully," said the fox. "Can you sing from that tree?" "Thank you," said the bird, and flew up to the tree. The fox picked up the meat quickly and ran away, laughing loudly.